Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack from our design team straight to you. And this week, Kenny and the team have created an exceptional business consultant layout pack. It's got 8 pages included, everything you need to get a site up and running really quickly. And it's even got a services page that has a pretty unique layout, which is pretty awesome, and also a case study page, which is going to be something you want to check out. Don't forget, all the images included in the pack are free for you to use without restriction, even for commercial use. And here's how to use it. To use the Business Consultant Layout Pack on your own website, you're going to need to go ahead and create a new page. So to do that, I'm going to go to the WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and go to Pages, Add New. And I'm going to start off with the home page. I'm going to deploy my Divi Builder and then the Visual Builder. And then once there, I'm going to go down here to my Settings menu here, open it up, and then I'm going to click on the Add from Library button. This will pop up all of my pre-made layouts. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down until I find the one that I want. In this case, it's going to be Business Consultant Layout Pack. Go ahead and click on it. And this will give you the preview of all 8 pages included in this pack. So you can select any from this list. I'm going to select the home page. And as you can see, once selected, it will show in this little preview box here. And then I can click Use this layout. Once it's loaded up, go ahead and take a quick check. Make sure everything looks right, and it does. So all that we need to do at this point is save it. You would want to go ahead and repeat this process for each one of the pages that you're going to be creating that correspond to each of these layouts. So after you've created a new page and added your layout to each of those pages, you will want to go and create your primary menu for your website. To do that, you'll go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Menus. Once there, you're going to click to create a new menu if you don't have one already. Go ahead and give it a name, and then click Create Menu. Once it's created, you're going to go ahead and pull in all of the pages you have created over here from this box by selecting all, and then clicking Add to Menu. Once you do that, all of your pages will show up in this menu structure area here, in which you will go ahead and click and drag to order those however you want. Don't forget to click the primary menu selection down here so that it will display in your primary menu. Go ahead and save your menu, and then you are done. Let's go ahead and visit the home page again. And your menu should look like this when you're complete. Before you can load pre-made layouts from your Divi library, you must make sure that you authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. If you've already activated updates for Divi under your Divi theme options right here, you have already authenticated your subscription and will have access to the layouts without a problem. If not, when you click to import a layout to your page, you'll be prompted to enter your Elegant Themes membership username and API key in a box that looks like this. But once you do enter your username and API key and click submit, you will have access to your layouts immediately. And you can find your API key under your members area on the Elegant Themes site. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I do hope that you've been enjoying our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. It's our way of giving you something a little extra in your design toolbox every single week. And I know that you don't want to miss out on any future giveaways, so please be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, like us on Facebook. That way, no matter where you're getting your info from, you're going to get a notification from us every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.